Welcome to helpyourmath.com. All right, let's go over the number 60 together. All right, so that question, one number is 5 more than another number. The sum of the two numbers, right, is 35. So basically, from the second information telling us is we basically have two numbers. So we have one number, another number, right? In the first sentence, they're telling us, well, now we're having two numbers. So we could, right, use x and y to represent the numbers. Right, we have one number, another number. We use x for one number, y for another. Right. The second sentence is obviously telling us, well, the sum of the two numbers is 35. So therefore, the sum of x and y, right, x plus y, is 35. That's one equation already. Then the second equation, we'll get that from the remaining one sentence we didn't use up. This sentence telling us the relationship between the two numbers, right? Well, when we read that a little bit more, right? One number is 5 more than another, which is x is 5 more than the y, right? Because x is one number, y is another. So one number is 5 more than another, just simply will be x is 5 more than the y. So let's cut it, right? On the left of our x, of our is just x. Right? X is 5 more than the y, which is just y increased by 5. Right? 5 more than the y will be y increased by 5. That will be y increased by 5. Right, now we have two variable, two equations, right, become our system. Therefore, definitely we're able to solve our equation, right? System of equations, solving our variables. Well, the second equation here, basically telling us, well, x is some kind of y, right? X in the expression of y. So when we're looking at that and looking at the first equation, well, we're able to substitute y plus 5 into our first equation of x, because that's what x equals, as we told in the second equation. Right, so when we substitute x equal y plus 5 into the first equation, instead of x, we'll put y plus 5. Right, plus y equals 35. Then we're going to simplify it. Now this equation, right, will become only one variable of y. Therefore, combine that, 2y plus 5 equals 35. Then take the y to the right side, because on the left, we want the variable only y here with its constant, with its coefficient. Then on the right side we have number, right? Therefore, when we divide the coefficient 2, we're able to get the y itself. In this case, 30 divided by 2 is 15. Right, so our y is 15, and go back to the equation, right? You either use the first one or the second one to figure out our x. But we see the second equation looks like more obvious, since it's just telling us x is 5 more than the y, right? So our x is 5 more than the y. When our y is 15, our x will be 5 more than the 15, which shows us x will be 20.